What's up, guys? What's up, little juniors?
Yeah, of course.
Jessica's here.
Hello.
Where my bitch at there? Alright, guys. I'm going to the store. It's a short vlog. But, well, not a short vlog. It's just a short video. Going to the store. Grab something to freaking eat. I'm fucking hungry. And I'm going to do the Loon call. Show you guys how to do it. That'd be awesome. See you guys soon. Alright, guys.
Get out of here.
Let's go.
Okay.
God damn it.
Okay. But your butt
What?
face. Your
Let's
butt
go.
face. Okay.
Looks like it's snowing again. Fucking Billy. Really? Really, Billy? Really, Billy? Yoink.
That's what I did.
Don't you do it, it's not how he does
Billy!
Careful, honey, it's plugged in. Oh, that was so
You
close.
should have told me that before I started moving here. This is not my fault if I break it.
Can you show them what Toby's doing?
Oh, that was so close. What?
Wait.
Toby was, no, he thinks he's going somewhere. Look, watch. I didn't even say anything to him.
Really?
Oh, buddy. My baby wants to go outside. Oh, baby wants to go outside. See?
Don't hit the
Hannah's
basket.
sort of between the middle of the hallway and James. James could have reached in and everyone just walked right by it. Billy's like, looking.
Get off.
And looking at you.
Thank you.
As you guys are walking by.
Toby, stay with Nana.
There's a bad.
We record
It's a vlog.
everything. It's a vlog.
That's why I said just ignore it.
We've been doing this for how long? My mom is coming.
This is probably going to be bad. Oh. You're not. You're fine.
What are you
Go. Okay, you're good.
She's so funny.
I hit her.
Oh, is it fucking raining?
I'm sorry.
It was raining.
What?
It was raining.
I'm holding it like
Don't
this.
keep it on here.
I'm not. Look at the sky.
Are you fucking watching her?
Yeah. This is so entertaining.
Oh, slow down a little bit.
We're gonna cross the street.
Do the Loon call like you wanted.
I gotta fucking look at my hands for that shit.
So what are you gonna do?
Oh, it's just gonna go for a minute.
You wanted to do the Loon. Ya big Loon.
Yeah. Look.
How do you like not holding the camera?
A lot better.
You what?
A lot better.
Why is it a lot better?
Because my sister can do it.
Are you lazy? Are you admitting that you are lazy?
No.
Oh, that's unfortunate. I kind of thought you were.
Fucking eats me. Fucking.
Okay.
What?
There we go.
Not that close.
How come we were filming with the light off for how many?
Because it was facing me. I was doing selfies. Lights on.
Come on, honey.
Why are you walking like that?
I'm cold.
I'm actually warm. I thought it was cold out in the car.
My cheeks are cold.
Bank card? Yeah, all over the car. Like this off the fucking thing.
Why do you always look at me?
You cut that off the fucking thing.
No. You have to.
No, I I don't. I need fucking premium time.
Why are we fighting?
Because you.
For a second, I forgot what I was doing, so I was just looking somewhere else.
Crazy.
What is that? It's good. Am I
You know
still?
what you want, right? 'Cause I don't want anything. I'm just here for you. Because you said you were doing some really fun flag.
It's cold.
I know it's cold. What do you try to get? Doritos or Ruffles?
I was gonna say the roulette thing, but I mean,
Oh, where this?
what?
This.
Oh.
The poncho is not like
You can video paper, you go ahead.
What? What?
What did I do? I don't know.
We only came here for that.
Close to my shoulder?
Yes,
Why?
Because you're a loon.
because I don't know.
Loon.
You'll be the star.
Didn't he trick us? He said we were coming out for a bird call. Tricked us just to come here. He's rude.
What happened by the way?
I don't know.
What?
Squash.
Really bright. Feels like I'm looking into this.
I squashed it. Squash.
There's your new boyfriend, guys.
Let me see him. What does it look like?
There's your new boyfriend, guys. Wait.
I can't get the money.
There's your new boyfriend.
Why is it next to my face though?
Squash.
I don't look like him.
I'm squashing everything.
Shine this in David's eyes. Thanks.
I don't know what to look at it.
Squash.
Why don't you not look at it?
Because I mean,
It's kind of hard not to.
no, I'm just joking.
No, because she thinks she can look at a camera. Well, you don't have to look
I'm looking at Jazz.
And the best part is that between it.
Yeah. Oh my god. Ow. That Mr. Big is big. That Mr.
There's no Mr. Crunch. There's only coffee,
Oh,
Chris.
I meant to say Crispy Crunch. What did I say? Mr. Crunch.
It's coffee, Chris. You kept on
Crispy
saying
Crunch.
Where? Oh, right there. I was looking at this thing.
It's funny. And there's big. Oh,
Come on, vlogger, let's go.
we're coming.
You're going to try a little gas. Try a little gas.
There we go.
Huh?
What? Nothing? What if I fall? My worst fear is always falling in those things.
Really?
I
You've
always...
been with your dad in field trips before?
Well,
Hey, the
yes.
weather's getting better. We can go to that park again. Remember where we met that guy? What are you doing? Oh, I thought you were about to beat me up. Whoa! What the frig? You scared me. I thought I was gonna run you over. Trying to get on me and push you in the bush.
Try to push in the bush, bitch.
Get in here!
Where's my bitch at?
It's right here, bitch!
Why did you try and cover the camera?
Because he's a freaking rude ass. He doesn't want to see his ass get run over. I swear, when I get him, it's gonna be good. I'm gonna ram him up his ass. Oh, careful, honey, this guy wants to walk him! I can't get him! He's being rude to the disabled.
Who?
Who? Is that your loon call? That was my nose! You kissed my nose!
I got the bitch's nose.
What? We came out for a loon call and your ass just did that.
I am.
Good. Loon.
There.
Look at the duck. Man, it's so cute. I want him.
On where? Oh, there. Ooh.
Well, his trip. Did you see his face? He's like, no, not my trip.
What about the Loon call thing,
Yeah, do it.
whatever
I'm not
it
playing
is?
inside. I refuse. I will protest here. Loon it.
Loon that call.
Okay. I told you guys, one way for doing it, get your hands wet. Which I'm supposed to show inside.
Well, why didn't you?
Because we are
So show the dry with the dry hands and then one
when you're
with
out in the cottage
hands
country
wet.
and you want to do a loon call and you see the loon in the lake or ocean, wherever the hell you guys are,
In front of your building in this case.
put your hands in the lake or the ocean, wherever the hell you are, get them wet. Go like this, cup it like this, and then have your thumbs go like this. So cup your whole hand. Then what you want to do is you see a little hole in between my thumbs. You want to go, but it makes a lot of better noise when it's wet, not dry.
Wet.
Yeah,
Like
you
it
have to
wet.
have it wet. Not jerk off wet, wet.
Yeah, what the? You killed that.
I know, you guys.
So why don't you do it
I'll do it when
again
it's wet
inside?
when we get inside. So
Yeah.
for now, stay there. We'll be right back. My hands are completely dry. My sister will touch them. They're not wet, right?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna leave them wet. Follow me.
We're vlogging.
Okay, they're wet, as you can see. Do what I told you. That's how you do it. As I said, that's it. It's fucking gay. Alright guys. Try it out. Tell me what you guys do. If it doesn't work for you, try to do a better version of the video. But until then, just keep practicing. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment,
Favorite.
follow Miss Wheels, follow Jessica Ben for helping me out with the videos. And stay safe, stay focused, be aware of your surroundings. But number one thing though is what I always call to say it first. Stay safe. Peace!